Hello, traders around the world. This is Phil V from Trading Capital Markets. It is currently 9:23 a.m. We are the 15th of April, and we are live. Let's do this. Let's trade today. So I will share my screen. Okay, window, this window, share. Perfect. So you guys now see my screen. We have buy side and sell side over here. We tried to go get sell side, did a little fake, but we did take these relative equal lows over here, which was nice. Took those relative equal lows. Now we are about to open in 6 minutes. So I'm going to be trading live every day from Monday to Friday from 9:30 to 10:30 approximately. So if you guys want to join in, just like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on. Like that you're notified whenever I go live. Like that you guys could have me as a trade companion if you guys want. If you don't want, that's all good too. Enjoy the show. It's quite impressive how the market moves. So let's mark this, right? Actually, let's go over here. So the last presented fair value gap, well, the last fair value gap up top of this leg is this one on the 1 minute. Let's take it. Let's draw it like that. You guys can see it. Most probably goes exactly to that point on our right. Yep. Okay. And that is right here. It goes right to the high. They do not pass. The bodies don't pass the consequent encroachment of this high. Today we have all the news that dropped at 8:30. New York Empire State Manufacturing Index is at minus 8.10. Forecast was minus 12.8. $9.27. That was yesterday's first presented fair value gap. We made our way down from there. And this type 4 order block over here stopped before the consequent encroachment. Continued lower. Got the shorts in there yesterday. All right, 5 seconds. Ding, ding, ding. Market open. Where's my, oh, here's my gavel. Oh, let's get it. When we close a trade, slam the gavel. So we're looking at these lows to be taken. These are the Asia lows, and these are London highs over here. Let's see how it reacts. Let's go see if that's on it. Yep. Nice push into, oh, almost nice push towards this fair value gap. All right, we just tapped into it. This is London buy side. Can we take it? Do-do-do-do-do-do. Some good strength over here. But don't forget, everyone. Oh, what do we do? We took it by 1 tick. Yeah. Took London by like 1 tick. Now we come back down. That is really interesting. Did not leave a fair value gap. Took London by 1 tick, and now we are reversing. Very interesting. But don't forget, everyone, we are still within this price leg right here. That broke this low right here. This one. So as long as we don't trade above here, below here, as long as we don't trade above here, we're still technically bearish because of the price action. Interesting. So the bodies are respecting this fair value gap on the 1 minute, and we are reversing. Volume imbalance right over here. Never traded back to. Volume imbalance goes in blue. Okay. Nice sell back down. So over here we have this volume imbalance, and we also have a 5-minute fair value gap to the upside paired with a breaker. Is it going to be able to pass and close above? Let's see. Some nice relative equal lows over here. Right there. Let's see what it looks like on the 15. 15 looks quite strong. All right. Okay, so here's our first presented fair value gap on the minute chart. And these are in FVG, and this will be purple. So that's our first presented. Let's go see. Is there volume imbalance? Yes, there is. Let's bring it up. Perfect. So we have to include the volume imbalance in our fair value gap. It's gonna be a nice one to trade into. And possibly come and take these highs right here. So let's mark these up. Horizontal ray, boom, buy side, come back. There you go. Gonna be interested to see what this close looks above these highs on the 15 minute and the 5 minute, because sometimes what it does is at the 1 minute, right, it closes and it stays above, but on the 5 minute, on the 15 minute, it rejects, and the bodies do not close above the wick. These highs, they don't close above, and that creates a problem for our market structure read sometimes. That's a strong 15-minute candle. But we're still stuck within this price leg. Let's take these off and we'll show them later. One minute and 26 seconds left. But very impressive nonetheless. Nice drive up at the open. Will it be able to take this buy side? Very interesting. That's interesting. All right, so probably going to take it right here if it reaches constant encroachment. Just take these highs. Ah, shit. That was my zone. It's all good. We do not chase. We do not chase. We remain patient. There you go. On the 15-minute. There's this fair value gap here that I think it's respecting the constant encroachment. All right, we took that major buy side. It's going to be hitting on a big, 15-minute order block right here soon. Might be selling into it. Let's see how it's going to react. There's nothing to go off of over here. We just filled this fair value gap over here. Let's see what's going to happen. Oh. Respected it. Yeah, I'm going to short it right here. It's a big drive up right in the order block. Yeah. Take profit's going to probably be a little bit lower. So if I go on the 15-minute, you can see where my stop loss is. So right here, right above this order block's body. And the take profit is probably going to be right here. Right below this. Maybe even lower. Right here. Right at that inversion. Fair value gap. Once it reaches it. gonna be the first one that's gonna fail. This first fair value yet. This the closest fair value yet. Let's see. Yeah, that was perfection. We were patient and we're getting it. We're in the trade. Let's see what happens. Ideally, we want all the candles to close exactly below this. Take this out because it's annoying. Of no, get shot back down. $33 seconds to close below within this. Nice little haircut. Let's see if you could stay below. All right. Hard break now. Get heavy. Go down here. Now it's just a waiting game. Got to be patient so it could deliver us some profits. If it does, I like what this candle did. Close below again. Right here. Yeah. Close below. My God. Yeah, there's some action over here. All right. It's interesting because it didn't create a fair value gap to the downside when it broke this trend line, which is worrying me a little bit. It is worrisome. Because it might just jump back up here. This region. That's what I was expecting. Because there's no fair value gap to the downside with this break. Yeah, it's probably going to take these relative equal highs over here. maybe turn around the consequent encroachment of this 15-minute order block. Who knows? All right, so we're going to take these first. Wait, let's see if I could have. Oh, here. Gonna take these first before taking these. Unless we have a change of heart right now and start turning back down, which is possible. All right, I'm getting some momentum to the downside. 5 seconds to go to this candle. Break below this. Break below. Stayed above. Still interesting. Okay, so that's, if that remains open, that's going to be in. It won't remain open. There you go. All right. So the top, the highs up top are going to get taken unless this goes all the way back down. What are the odds, huh? Closes up here. Everybody thinks it's going to come back, take this, and then closes below these. There you go. Broke these highs. Off we go. All right. So we just hit the consequent encroachment of this order block, the 15-minute order block. Let's go back up here and see what order block we're talking about. Take this off. That's great. This order block right here. I hit that and we are currently making our way back down. So this will make its way back down as an inversion. So this will close below, right? And this coming back up over here is going to use this bullish fair value gap as a point of entry for another down move. That was beautiful. Hit the consequent encroachment. It's going to come over here a little bit. Yeah. Come back down. 3 seconds to close. And boom. That's beautiful. Now we're going to have a nice little break below these. Come back over here. Get shorted some more. Let's short another 10 lots over here. Trade. Limit. Ten lots is 100 units. Limit sell. Limit sell over here. Come on. You can do it. Right here. For another limit sell. And we are in. We're going to use this as an inversion. And we're going to see if the candles close below this consequent encroachment or below this busy. That was the look. We were patient. That's a great trade, and that's how it's supposed to be done. Patience, patience, patience. And this is the first time I am adding a position in front of you guys on the same one. Off we go. Come on. Keep on falling. So right now, 0.37, drop below. Probably going to close like 10 of them. Keep my initial position. Market, sell. Market, sell. Market, buy. Sorry. So we're going to lock some profits over here. right? And keep our initial position moving. Okay, so we are going to market buy. Gonna market buy over here again, and we're leaving that last position up top for this take profit to be hit. That's perfect. TP was hit. And we gradually got out just in case we had a hard bounce. So we left, let's show you guys the exits. Exits, okay. So one was exited right here before this low. After that, the second one was exited right here. And the last one at our TP right over here, right above this inversion like we called it. So we were on the, what were we on, the 15-minute? Yeah. So we used this inversion as our take profit, the high. We got out, and now it's bouncing hard off of this inversion. Perfect plan, perfect plan, perfectly executed, and that's what we're all about at Trading Capital Markets. I hope you and traders enjoyed this one, and see you tomorrow for pre-market analysis and live trading at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. Have a great day. Peace.